Okay, thanks, Bill. Well, one area that's often affected by monsoon storms is New River. That's where ABC 15's Jennifer Parks is right now. And Jennifer, I understand this town got hit hard a few months ago.
Yeah, it did. In fact, they got about 7 inches in just a matter of days. This area, no stranger to flooding. You look down here, it often starts right here in Skunk Creek and then quickly washes out onto the roads. It's fair to say in the town of New River tonight, they'll be keeping an eye to the sky. New River is a small town north of the valley, and here when it rains, it sometimes floods, which is why residents like Rebecca have to keep an eye on the sky, because when the monsoons hit, they sometimes find themselves stuck.
My car rolled into the wash. It was wet. So it rolled into the wash and I couldn't get the car out.
This is what Rebecca got stuck in last January. With more than 7 inches falling in just a few days, you have to be prepared.
And have either a big truck that can get you in and out,
or an access road. But sometimes the water on these roads is too much, even for big rigs.
All right. See ya.
Daisy Mountain Fire Marshal Phil Dyer is already gearing up for what could be a busy weekend.
If we needed, we could get more people in, but as it stands right now, we'll have to wait and see what Mother Nature deals out.
At the firehouse, trees have been cut back, and he takes us south near Carefree Highway, where the monsoons can cause the roads to flood and wash away.
Matter of a couple seconds, when this does get flooded, you're below really deep water.
Within seconds, Dyer says cars can be washed away. He says anyone driving near Skunk Creek should be ready to stop when they see a flooded road.
Look around you, see what's going on, and when you do see water crossing the roads, just be very cognizant of this is going to be one of those opportunities when it could be a lot deeper than it looks like.
And look at those clouds. Yes, they are getting darker by the minute. The fire department saying they're going to have sandbags available only if we get a lot of rain. For now, we're live in New River. Jennifer Parks, ABC 15 News.